the chat. Let's see, we got IDK, we got Psycho. It's good, guys. Live in 6 hours. Let's go. You did not say that 6 hours ago, Psycho. Let's be real. You did not say that 6 hours ago. I don't even have VS Code open yet. We got Snorlax. Thank you, Apple. Good to see you, Apple. We got Snorlax. Thank you for saying hello to Snorlax. Yeah, we got a good stream coming up. We're gonna get some good stuff done. Let me bring up that same to-do list, whatever the fuck I used last time. Does it save? Oh my god, it saves. Okay, yeah, it does. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this up really quick. Yeah, so we're still working on this right now. So I had to write an MLA works cited section today, and it bothered me. I fucking hate MLA, bro. Or just, I don't know. I hate English in general, bro. Like, writing anything, I just suck at. I can't even, like, form sentences very well. So, we don't have the Arizona tea tonight. We got the fucking, got a Red Bull instead. Shit, wrong one. There we go. So, cracking that bitch open. Yeah, I feel for you, Apple. I fucking hate that stuff, bro. Let me silence my phone, sorry. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing good. We're gonna continue with this. We're gonna continue with color text and then begin refactoring the leveling system. There was something else I thought of too that I was like, oh, we should probably fix that too. Oh yeah, it was like it was the enemies. It was the enemies. So I was thinking of adding another thing here, just as like a finished product kind of thing. I mean, we're mostly just focusing on like making sure that the systems are in place. We can like fix the enemy parties and all that kind of shit later. So let me bring up the good old, oh, that's the wrong one. There we go. Cool. All right. Let's continue. So yeah, last time we had to fix some linking. Oh shit. Last time we had to fix some linking errors. That was so much fun. Loved that. And now we're going to actually do the color text. So right now we don't have any color text. It's just kind of like bland. Let me try to make it again. Okay, it's bland like text. And we don't even have the welcome message either yet. Well, I think it's because we got rid of that, didn't we? I think so. Yeah, so let me... Yeah, we just have like the plain text right now. We don't have anything crazy. Just to kind of show, yeah. Oh yeah, we did experiment with this. We could do the background. I think having the like doing both the background and the text would make the most sense, because different terminals can, I mean, most terminals are going to be black or, you know, a dark color of some sort. So I feel like we don't have to worry about that too much, but I think it would be good to utilize the background feature. And yeah, because I mean, if we have the option, it's reconnecting. Sorry, is it reconnecting? Damn it. Always happens at the very beginning, bro. Hopefully it's okay. You might want to add an control code to send the cursor to the top left when you clear the screen. Oh yeah, I think we talked about that, didn't we? But I mean, like, what's the point though? Like, I mean, I don't know. We're not really like utilizing the cursor. I mean, we could, I guess, but maybe. But yeah, I do like this though. This obviously is caused by the new line. That's gonna be fixed pretty easily, so. Cool. So that's what we're gonna do today. Where did I do that? Was it here? Wait, why is it in the... Wait, what? In the game loop. Do this. I don't even think we can do this here, can we? I think we have to do it before we do a C out or some shit. I don't know. Fuck, I keep doing that. Yeah, okay. I don't know. Where did I do it with, that last one? I don't think it was in combat. I think it was in... Oh, yeah, it was in menu, I think. Wherever the fuck that is. There we go. Yeah, so yeah, so that's what this is. What the hell? That's what this is. We're still getting this error. It's still able to compile, so I'm just not gonna worry about it. But I don't know, like it still seems to work just fine. Honestly, we need to. Do we need to? No, I don't think so. No, I think we're okay. I don't know. Let's just. I mean, hopefully it's fine. Hopefully it's not gonna totally mess us up. So, in terms of the menu, this prints the menu options, but the thing is, I don't think it's able to. I think it only does it for the couts in this file is what I noticed. Like it can't like carry over. Like for instance, I tried to do this in the game loop and I was expecting like maybe it'll make every cout that's within the game loop or that happens within the game loop have a white background, but that seems not to work. So I guess we're just gonna have to go through like the menu manager and kind of just make these whatever color we need them to be. I don't want it to be like a huge mix of colors though. Like that's the thing. I don't want it to be like in your face, you know, like maybe just like we can color code some things. I don't know. I know that I want to add it though, so a lot of people have actually requested to add it, so I feel like I have to at this point. But yeah, how are you guys doing tonight? It's pretty cold here today. Or chilly, I don't know. I wouldn't say cold. Okay. Hopefully the stream is alright. The other night we were having some issues with it, so hopefully that's a-okay. Okay, so whenever we actually print the options, we need to... I personally prefer changing text colors over changing background colors. Do you think we should do that instead? But also, it's not my game. Well, Apple, this is all of our games, okay? We're gonna sell this thing on Steam, and we're gonna all split the profits. We've already agreed on that. All right, so it's all of our game. Let's look how that. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, okay. Let's see how that looks. Let's just test it really quick. Like, what color though? Like, I can't decide on like what color I'd want to do. I mean, we have plenty of options, and I mean, I could just put this in it's like a little like separate thing here, just so we can like see all the different colors that we can do. Yeah, like I mean, there's a decent amount, like bright red, bright green, so it's like we don't have to worry too much about like a dark background, I guess, because like if we did just blue text, that's gonna be a little hard to see, I think, on a blue or you know, on a pretty dark terminal. But if we did like, I don't know. I mean, most terminals are gonna be dark anyways. Whatever. What was I? Here we are. We could try like, instead of doing background, let's do foreground. Just kind of just see how that looks. I know that blue foreground probably won't look great, but here's what it is. You can make full or high health green, medium health yellow, and low health red. I kind of like that. Yeah, it like kind of changes dynamically. I like that. That's good. It's a good recommendation. Take a note on that. Yeah, let's see how the foreground looks. If we do, let's just do blue. I just want like a good like reference point. Yeah, but I do like that though. Like colors can like change dynamically. Oh shit. Yeah, colors can like change dynamically. That's pretty sick. Okay. 1, 4. Oh shit. Oh shit. Bro, have I still not fixed this yet? You gotta be fucking kidding me. I thought we fixed that. We definitely didn't. No, we didn't. It's not too bad actually. I don't know. I was expecting that to look a lot worse, I'll be honest. It doesn't look terrible though. We could probably rock with that. Or I mean, you know, we may not need to worry too much about like some things not being as visible, if that makes sense. That's what my main concern was initially. So let's just Yeah, let's rock with that. Yeah, because not everything needs to be a color, or not everything needs to be like colored or whatever. I think just some of them. VS Code's terminal is not that reliable, I think, when it comes to... Really? Shit, we might need to run this like in the normal as. It does things to the colors. It really? Like, what does it do to the colors? Like, does it make it look different? Is it because of like the theme or something like that? Like the theme system or some shit? We might have to run this like just in the normal terminal, or like command prompt or some shit. Which, I mean, I'm not against. I mean, we can do that, but shit. I think it normalizes the colors, and yeah, I think it does base them off themes. I wonder if I can... Hold on, I wonder if I can test that out just using like my terminal or some shit. Or like, you know, the command prompt, whatever. Let me try that really quick, hold on. I need to fucking... Oh jeez, yeah, Windows. God damn it. Fucking hate this shit. Using PowerShell right now. It says yes. It does, yeah, so it probably does something to it. Hold on. Wonder if I can open up PowerShell and try it there. CD documents. Stream lagging. Damn, bro. My stream lagging hella right now. Yeah, I just want to make sure, like, I mean, as long as it's like somewhat of a similar color, it'll be okay. But I just want to make sure of that. Shit. That's not a thing? What are you talking about? What directory am I in? What? Fucking hell. Now I'm like paranoid. I think I was in the wrong document. I don't know. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. Fuck it, we ball. Okay. Let's do that one first. I kind of like that suggestion, Apple. I want to make it where it's like, if their health is like a specific color, it can like print it differently. Yeah, I like that. So I think the way that we can change that, or the way that we can modify that, is whenever we are printing the info, do we want... You know what we could do also is we could do something where it's like, yeah, like maybe like it prints the enemies' names, but like it changes the color of the enemy depending on how much health they're at. That could be kind of cool. Like, because right now what you have to do is you have to print the party info and get an accurate read as far as how, you know, like what their stats are at right now. So I think we can do something kind of cool like that. I think that would be kind of cool. Yeah, I like that. So the way that we print that though is a little differently. That would be in the menu manager, wouldn't it? We would have to do get name, some shit like that. Yeah, select target menu, get valid targets. Do a for loop, and we are in placing commands for each. Get name. Right, but we want to change... How do we change that, though? I think... You could also dim the info for enemies and maybe players who are dead so it doesn't clutter things as much. That's good. That's good. I like that. I like that. That is good. Yeah, so we can like kind of not like gray out, but kind of like dim it in a way. For like any sort of party member or enemy that is dead. Yeah. Well, I mean, the thing is, I mean, yeah, like we could still do that. I mean, the thing is that it's not going to pick up the enemies that are dead using this function, but whenever they print the party info, it would still show the info for the enemies that would be dead. So what we can do is we can just do We could do that for the print party info. Yeah. I need to figure out how we can do that though, because I don't think that we're able to, like, if I just do this, and yeah, because it wouldn't modify the string. It doesn't do that. It would print it, right? So maybe what we need to do we need to make like a cout function or something? Like if we want to do something like that, I actually don't know. Genuinely don't know. I don't know, this is a little odd. One thing I do know that I want to do, one thing that I kind of already had the idea for, was here. I was going to change the color, depending on, excuse me, depending on, you know, what they choose. So I kind of want to do that for sure. So we can do choose class and then terminal. Wait, it's terminal not here. Fuck. Just include it. Oh, it is included, so it should have access to terminal, right? Wait. Did we use terminal wrong? Yeah, I think we did. It's, we don't have to do all that extra stuff, do we? It's just like, terminal, right? Yeah, okay. I was like, I couldn't quite understand. Okay. We probably would need to set it up though. See, I don't really understand the whole setup function, but I guess if it breaks things, it breaks things, whatever. Foreground. Or wait, is this a, wait, how do we have to call this again? Let me go to where we did that. I don't think did we call it here? Yeah, we did. We did terminal setup and then terminal background. And then we see, yeah, okay, that's what we did. Oh, right, okay, yeah. Yeah, so we don't have to do it line by line like that. We can just do terminal right here. Instead, foreground, change it to terminal or a warrior. I feel like that's like a yellow thing or something. I don't know. That's what I think of. Yellow. And then, boom. That doesn't work. Why? How does that not work? I think you should only need to call once when your program starts. Well, I thought so too, but like, for instance, can I just do that like in main or something like that? Like, because I think, I mean, I don't know, we didn't really get the chance to try it last time. Let me just see if it still works. If we don't get any errors, we're good, but because if I don't use it there, oh wait, do I need to see out at the very beginning? Is that what it is? I forget. There was the yeah, okay, that's what it was. Yeah, okay, let's try that. Let's just see if it still actually like compiles. And is able to run. Okay, warning, we've seen that before, no big deal. Nice. Let me see if it's still, oh shit. Oh, it made all of them yellow. Wait, so if that's the case, then that means that everything else after this should be yellow, right? Yeah. Okay, but not that stuff though. So whenever it exits the scope, I'm assuming is kind of where it stops. Okay, that makes sense. That does make sense. Okay, yeah. So I think we just need to set it up once. And as you could tell in the game loop, it still worked. Yeah, so I think it goes based on scope. Which I mean is good, actually. I mean, at least now I kind of know what the fuck it's doing. Terminal. Yeah, so that's good. Foreground terminal blue, I think, for a mage is pretty rad. And I don't think it shouldn't do the, well, no, that wouldn't make any sense. I'm stupid. Yeah, I was thinking of the new line because the background for some reason like would fill in the new line as well. So I just want to be careful about that whenever we do that. So yeah, but we only need to do setup once, which is good. Makes things a lot easier. What color is an archer? Like, I don't know, like what kind of like, what reminds you of an archer? Or I feel like honestly, okay, green probably, right? Green, and I feel like red is healer, or is red warrior? I feel like red is healer because I think of red and I'm like, I don't know. I think what terminal is called some Windows API functions to tell the Windows. Yeah, I mean, probably so. I just, the other night when we were having, or yeah, Wednesday night when we were having trouble with it, I was like super frustrated with it, and so I was like calling setup everywhere to just to like try to fix it. But yeah, I feel like an archer is green. That kind of makes sense, right? Shit like that. Green, capital N, yeah, why not? Okay, and then a healer I feel like is red. Red is warrior, archers are green, magenta pink is healer. We could do magenta probably. Do we have a pink option? We have like a bright magenta that's basically pink. Yeah, you think warriors are red? No, I think of warrior, I'm like, I don't know, I think of yellow for some reason. We can go with that though. Excuse me, we can go with that though. Foreground, terminal. I think, let's try bright magenta. I want to see what that looks like. I don't know what the bright ones look like. Okay, so let's try that out. And we would need to reset it after, wait, would we need to reset it after every single, possibly. Yeah, this might actually fill in as red for the for everything else. Let's see. I don't know if it'll automatically override it or if it'll do something different. Okay, sick, nice. That looks kind of sick. Yo, that looks kind of dope. Magenta mage. Well, that's what I was thinking too. Magenta's the best color. Agreed. I put blue at number 1, but agreed. Yeah, I feel like magenta is kind of more mage, right? But then again, the thing is that in this terminal, that kind of already looks magenta, like, or purple, I guess. Wait, so is bright? Does that just mean like it kind of like? Wait. I think I kind of understand the whole idea behind bright red, bright blue, that kind of stuff. I think it's because it doesn't make it like pastel, if that makes sense. It makes it just brighter. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. I don't know what I was thinking. Let me just see what that looks like. We can go with blue for the because if we don't go with magenta for the good to see you, AZ, by the way. I didn't say that, my bad. If we don't go with magenta for the healer, I don't know what else a healer would be. So I think we're just gonna stick with that, I think. We'll do bright blue for that one. Bright green. Yeah, so I think it essentially just turns up like the whatever the fuck it's called. Oh shit, we got an error. Oh wait, what happened? God damn it. Oh, it's the, we gotta clean it, whatever. Yeah, it's like, it's just like literally brighter. Yeah, that's fine. We can do that. We need to make sure though that whenever we do that, we, yeah, because we have this right here right now. So we'll just add like a different line and do cout terminal. I think we could just do reset and it'll reset back. So we do reset and then we could do this. Yeah, that's good. Does that turn it back to white like just automatically? Like we don't have to, or does it change it back to just like the default whatever your terminal thing is? I believe so. Yes. Okay, perfect. That's good. That's good. Mana is blue, so mages should be blue. I agree. I think that's good. Yeah, I mean this is good. This is good, honestly. I'm rocking with this. Should the numbers be colors as well? Or should, like, I feel like it would make more sense because this kind of looks a little off to me. I don't know, I'm kind of, maybe I'm nitpicking or something, but I feel like what we should do instead is we should do the normal color for the actual like number. Yeah, I feel like that would make sense. So we do like this, do a space, and then do the foreground and all that good stuff. But then that also means that we have to reset it at the very end as well. Which, I mean, sure, we can do that, I guess. But yeah, because then, yeah, whatever, it's fine. Terminal reset. Okay, let me just add this to the everything else. Oh shit, what the fuck? Settings. I'm gonna switch to Visual Studio very soon. VS Code has been very not fun recently, so I will be switching to Visual Studio very soon. Trust. Because I'm getting tired of this damn thing. It's not even IDE, technically. Or it's whatever the fuck, I don't know. Okay. And then yeah, we'll do the same thing here. Or okay, how does that look? I feel like that's gonna look a lot better. Oh yeah, that looks 10 times better. That looks a lot better, I think. Oh wait, I forgot to remove the... I might be dumb. Yeah, I forgot to remove those. Yeah, I think that looks good. I don't know, what do you guys think? Yeah, I think that looks good. Honestly. Very colorful, very whimsical. I don't know. Choose class, right? I don't think we need to do anything special or whatever for that. And then if we go to the next one, it's still... Okay, cool. Yeah. It's good. Nice, nice. Is there a way that we can do, like, we can make the inputs, like, you know what I mean? Like the console, like, inputs, a certain color, like, if we wanted to? I mean, I don't really see the point in doing that, though. Yeah, fuck it. We just won't. Okay. Cool. We could do for like invalid options and stuff like that. I feel like doing a red would make sense, right? I guess. And it's like we could also utilize backgrounds, but I feel like that would look a little weird. Yeah, that might look a little weird. I don't know. I mean, especially if the VS Code terminal changes the way that it's actually going to look. If it was like just on a normal terminal or like in PowerShell or something. So we might not do that. Instead, I think right here we'll just do terminal foreground terminal. We can do just normal red. It doesn't have to be bright red. Do that and then reset at the very end. Just gotta make sure to reset it every time, or else it'll kind of really look stupid. Close that now. Fuck it. Cool. Yeah, let's test that out. Warrior. And so if I did like 5, okay, cool, invalid option. That's good. And if I did 1, well, the name is always going to be valid, technically. Do that, that would be the name. Yeah, okay, that looks good. That looks good. So I think whenever we go to this though, what do we want to do? I wonder, can we do like custom colors? Or did this, yeah, I'm sure we definitely can. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, so we can do custom colors, can't we? It's just using, hexadecimal, so. What the fuck? Sup, Snorlax, what's good? IDK, how are you? Thanks for saying hi to Snorlax, appreciate it. Hope you're doing good tonight. We are working on the color text for the terminal. So, currently have none of that so far, so. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, we'll see. I'm just gonna rock with these. I feel like we don't really need any other colors besides these. Or like, you know, there's really no point, I guess, if that makes sense. So, like, I don't see any other colors that we would really need all that much, you know what I'm saying? So, I think we should be good on that. Menu still having an issue, whatever. Just gonna ignore it. So I don't think I want the menu message to be any certain color. I think the menu message just being normal is totally fine. Is the color text cross-platform? Works for portability. I guess technically it wouldn't be. I mean, yeah, probably not. Well, maybe. I mean, I think you can though. There's an option that I can, like here, we did something like this. So I guess technically it can be, but right now I guess we're not really setting it up, or we're not really like using it, I guess. I mean, I could set this up later, but since I'm using Windows and since we're still kind of like developing it, I think we'll just kind of rock with this for right now. Kind of get a good, you know, decent idea as far as where we want to put certain things, you know what I mean? And kind of just go from there. So that's what I'm thinking. I don't know, but I think I'm pretty sure it is, or it can be compatible with, yeah, cross platform, yeah. So, wait, one more thing I wanted to check. Excuse me. Okay. Yeah, all right. So what do we want to do in terms of, well, the menu options are always going to be like kind of different. So it wouldn't really make much sense to make those a certain color, if that makes sense. I mean, we could, I guess, but I don't know. I feel like that's a little too much work. Look, you hate when I use codecs for one prompt and then all Copilot extensions get installed in my VS Code and I have to deal with AI autocomplete. Oh yeah, I hate that shit too. I always have to like look up how to disable the autocomplete. Yeah, that shit sucks. It can be useful sometimes, I guess, but it's like, I don't know. Like, it feels like it's just coding for me without my consent. Like, bro, relax. So, yeah, we don't need like too much color text in the game. Let's kind of go through the game really quick and just kind of see like where we would actually want that. I mean, obviously we have this, which is nice. That's pretty cool, right? And then we have print party stats. So what we can do, I think, honestly, for print party stats is maybe, I first delete Copilot extensions. Well, I have codecs on mine. But when I did have Copilot can be useful sometimes, I guess. I don't know. Just because like it can see the context of what you're trying to do. So Copilot is kind of cool, but you know, I don't use it a ton, I guess. I don't use it a ton. I think, should we make these like a certain color? That'd be kind of sick. Like depending on the class, I guess. Maybe, that might be good. Then again, that's like a, that's gonna be like a, I think, honestly, yeah, let's just do that for this. Well, actually, no. Let's just do that for this right here. We don't need to make all of this information like, yeah, because I feel like that would be like too straining on the eyes. Let's make it like kind of, because what I want to do is like, I kind of want to give the game like an accent, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? Like, if we give the game an accent, you like Like, you know what I mean? Like a certain accent. I don't want everything to be like colored. So let's go to print info here. Yeah, so this is going to be a little interesting. Microsoft pushes Copilot too much. Same with Google and Gemini. Like, why is Gemini in YouTube chat to describe it? That's actually kind of sick, though. No. Like, deadass. I didn't know that was a feature for a minute. Like, it's, I mean, I know it's still, like, kind of new. But I played back, like, one of my streams, and, like, it could just describe what I did on stream. Like, that I mean, I don't know, like, it's kind of sick. It's kind of sick. And why does Copilot keep installing itself on VS Code? Well, that's just Microsoft. That's come on, bro. That's just Microsoft. That's just what Microsoft does, bro. They don't ask you if you want something. They give it to you. All right. So it's you know, that's just life with Microsoft. But I mean, I get why they're pushing it. Like, obviously, AI is fucking huge right now. Yeah. So I want to make this like print a certain color depending on the class, but it's like I don't know, how do we do that like in the most efficient way possible though? Like, I feel like doing that like in a way where it's AI isn't bad, AI companies are bad. There you go, bingo, right there. But it says your stuff in the process considering it is Google Gemini, so yeah, I guess Google Gemini. It's all used to like, you know, like improve their models, which I get to an extent, but I don't know, like, still obviously a privacy concern. Yeah, it's really just the AI companies. Wait, didn't like Linus say that? He's like, I'm pretty sure he said word for word like AI isn't bad, AI companies are bad. I'm pretty sure Linus said that first. I don't remember though, I could be quoting it wrong. Yeah, so how do we want to do this? I feel like doing like an if statement is kind of like dumb. Like, I feel like that's just like, there's got to be a better way than just doing like a simple ass if statement. I mean, maybe we could do like I mean, same shit, I guess, if I do the switch case. I don't know, but like, how do we know? We don't really have like a member that stores the specific. Maybe what we can do is we can override that, or we can make it like a pure virtual void function, and then depending on the character it does that. That seems like overkill though. I feel like that's not really all that needed. Some AI isn't bad, like YouTube recommendation is AI, and spam email detection is also AI. Not to mention that one time Google DeepMind AI made a breakthrough in medicine. Oh, dude, for health, like for medicine, AI is gonna be fucking huge. That's actually hype. That's actually hype. Medicine, other innovations like that, like innovations that can prolong life or, you know, prolong health, gonna be insanely huge. So yeah, we're not even using this shit, are we? Are we using this class type? Oh, we are using this. When did we ever do this? Do we construct that always? We do. Holy shit. Okay, so we do have a way of getting the class type. So what we can do is, I mean, I know it's probably like the most basic way of doing it, but I don't really feel like thinking too hard about it. We could just do like maybe like a switch case statement. I don't know, would that work here? I guess technically. Just do like switch, okay, what's it called? Class type? Or no, we'd have to do switch, this. And then do we have a get class type? We do not. We do not. No, we do not. Wait, do we? Yeah, no, we don't. Okay. I mean, fuck it, we can just add one really quick. I mean, I thought I would have done that already, but whatever. We'll just return, yeah, we'll just return the class type. Get class type, const, bada bing, bada boom. We'll do return class type. Wait, what's it called? What do we have it under? Is it just class type? Oh, character class. Wait, is that actually? No, wait. That actually should be accessible. Yeah. So I think I'm actually done. Hold on. Apparently, Sam Altman, yeah, CEO of AI, raises his kids with the help of ChatGPT. Bro, there's gonna be so many parents doing that shit though. Like there really is. I bet you there's already parents doing that shit right now. Like, you know, like at what age should I let my kid do this? Like just straight up letting AI make kind of like big time parental decisions. There's 100% stuff like that going on right now. Oh yeah, so we can get that. I'm actually whatever. I mean, we don't need to delete that, but I don't want it there. So yeah, okay. We'll do case, class type, warrior. I think that works. We'll do case class type warrior, and then we can do terminal foreground. Do terminal. I think we did red on that, right? Is that what we did? Did we have to do a fucking C out every time we do that shit? On God? Oh, no, I just spelled terminal wrong. Like an idiot. No, wait. What? Wait, what? Did we not include that? I thought we did. Wait, fuck it, we can, I guess. Or we need to go here. Yeah. Right? Yeah, okay. So now I think that actually fixes itself now, right? Yeah. Okay, yeah, do we have to do the C out every time? That's gonna suck if so. Alright, but we don't. It's good. Should I press charges against my 9-year-old child for breaking my favorite vase? Yeah, I was gonna say yes. No, it's like, dude, it's insane. There's actually gonna be, bro, there's gonna be people who cannot think for themselves. Like, there's gonna be people who are really gonna have a hard time without AI, like genuinely. Like, AI is obviously gonna be a really good tool, but put it in the wrong hands, it's gonna be detrimental to some people. But oh well, it's the price, I guess. The iPhone was a revelation, but now we doom scroll, so. Yeah, I mean, I think that's it, really. We could just break that. And what we'll do is after this, we'll just reset it. Yeah, we could just do terminal reset. Thank God for that, because now we can just reset it no matter what it is. Yeah, so let's just do that for all of the class types. And we won't really bother with boss or enemy. I mean, we can with boss, I guess, but... I mean, we can with boss, sure. I don't know. I don't mind doing that. Typical. Oh wait, we're doing bright colors, yeah. Don't let me forget that, chat. We'll do bright red as well. Okay. Wait, is that not a thing? Oh, byte red, yeah, that's a color. Case, class type. Archer. You said archer is green, right? Is that what we did? Bro, can I not type? And then we'll do the same shit with, what's the other one? Healer? Do magenta. Is that what we did for that one, I think? Or bright magenta, I think. Today I'm working on the brick class. My Atari breakout clone. Right now I'm about half done with bricks, but I have to refactor some code. Good luck with that. Good luck with that. How long have you been working on that? I feel like, have I asked you that question, IDK? I don't remember. I think I've asked you that before. My code I'm working, oh wait, it's not popping up. My code is My code is bad, but that is fine because it is a learning project, my first real project in OpenGL. I'm sure it will be better every project. Oh, for sure. For sure. Look at this fucking code. This code does not look amazing, I'll tell you that. It's, you know, once again, more of a learning project, yeah. So, I think the next project I do actually want to experiment with OpenGL. I don't know if that'll be my next project that I do on stream, but I do really want to experiment with OpenGL. I think that'd be a lot of fun. Alright, bet money. So I think this, this should be good, I think, at this point. I guess we could just go and test it now. Shit, wait, what? Immersion value, enemy not handled in switch. Oh yeah, that's fine. Who cares? No one cares about those guys. Oh, we had an error. Oh, it's permission denied. That little rascal. Okay, do A, B2, C3, D4. Print party stats. Didn't do it. Nice, awesome, love that. Okay, so why? Why did it not do that? Is it not... Oh, wait, maybe because we're not calling it in the same scope? I don't know. What's up, Tom? Tomix? I have a question. Why are you not using namespace so you don't have to use? Well, I think it's really more... It's like an efficiency thing. Like, for one, using namespace, I'm pretty sure slows down your code just a little bit. Not like anything insane. But also, it can break some shit, too. Like, for instance, we could not do the color text. We couldn't do that if we, yeah, it's also just bad practice. But I'm pretty sure it makes it, or like, it can slow it down, can it? I don't know, some shit like that. I don't know. I hear a bunch of stuff about it. It's like the biggest sin you can do. The biggest sin that you can do in C++. Or is it... Oh, it doesn't slow down the code. But it can break some shit, yeah. It can break some shit, and it's typically bad practice, yeah. Yeah, so it's best not to get used to doing it. Although in college, like, professors always use it just because of, you know, ease, I guess, because they're more so just teaching you the concepts. They're not teaching you, like, how to do it good. A lot of them don't even code all that much, so... But yeah, I would just not use it as much as you can. So one of the biggest sins you can do in C++ is do that, so... yeah, so why is it not... I'm assuming it's a scope thing, if I had to guess. Like, I bet you because we're not able to... Oh, that is interesting. Maybe for small scale code, when it's viable, but for big projects, not. Yeah, I was gonna say that. Yeah, like... Yeah, I mean, for a bigger project, definitely try to avoid it. Especially if you're using, like, certain, like, external, libraries or anything like that. It can kind of break some stuff, you know, here and there. So we ran into errors trying to use the color text because I had some using namespace in it as well. So just good not to do it. Just good not to do it for sure. Glad I joined in then. Unfortunate that you stream at 2 a.m. my time. I'm sorry. I would stream earlier if I could, brother. I really would. I really would. But thank you for stopping in. Appreciate it. Hope it was, you know, some help. Feel free to join another stream if you ever want to. Yeah, so this is definitely a scope problem. I think what we need to do is instead return... Maybe if we just return like the... wait a minute, I have an idea. I'm gonna go eat. What's going on now? We're making good progress. I'm currently trying to change the color of this, right? Like, you know, I'll show you. I'm trying to change the color of us doing... Oh, nice. Whatever, it's fine. It's the same thing anyways. I want to change the color of this to where the name in the class, like this top part, shows like the color that corresponds to their class, their specific class. So that's what it is, my dear, and it's a time zone problem. Yeah, I guess I can call it a night. And I just caught you streaming. Yeah, no, you're good. You're good. Yeah. People have told me that they've fallen asleep to a stream before. I don't know how you do that with house music going on in the background. Yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna try to basically make that a specific color depending on the class. But I think, yeah, we're running into a scope error because I realized that the way that these things work is it only does this within the specific, ain't no way we are in the same time zone. I just checked. Not my time zone, I don't think, right? You know, it's 7:22 for me. Oh yeah, yeah it is 7:22 for me. How the fuck did you see that? Where did you see that? What the hell? The function terminal for grammar such a string that changes the color. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure it's also a scope thing. Hey, just passing. Wanted to say hello. It's 2 a.m. for me too, and I have to go to sleep. But hope you're doing fine with the project. Thank you, Foxy. Appreciate it. Thank you for saying hi to Snorlax. Snorlax says hello back. Thank you. Greeting you, person, and good night. Good night, Tomix. Have a good night. I see we're in the same third to a fourth of the United States. In the same third to a fourth of the United States. What? Like we're like in the same 3/4 of the United States? I'm not in the US. Oh, right. You're one of the countries above the US, right? I don't know. Whichever one that could be. I don't fucking know. I don't really remember. Yeah, so because if we did this here, that would be able to do it just fine. Yeah, so we can't really but also, wait a minute. Do we have to do it like wait, this returns a string? Is that what happens? Hold on. Because if so, then we can just maybe like make a function to get. Yeah, and actually that would be really good for scalability too. Yeah, so what? It's a color. Well, I mean, we could just maybe like make a function that returns a color. Well, I mean, I know that's not probably like good practice, but do a function that returns a color and yeah, I don't know, fuck it, we can just do that, I guess. Because I don't want to have to put like a big ass if statement or like, you know, a big ass like switch case statement in this. Like, I feel like that's just gonna look ugly and awful. So, and I mean, we don't have to put it here in character. Honestly, we can maybe put it in the terminal class, couldn't we? I mean, yeah, fuck it, why not? I mean, yeah, let's just do that. Honestly. Well, let's first go here. Actually declare that we're gonna do it. Yeah, let's just try that. Where like it returns a color. Get class color or get character color. Yeah, let's do that. Color. That doesn't sound right. We'll do get class color. And then yeah, we don't need to. Do we need to? Well, I mean, I guess we'd have to fucking pass in something, wouldn't we? Yeah, we'd have to pass in the fucking. I mean, I guess technically, yeah. I mean, I'm not finna pass in an entire character class or like an entire character object in here. That isn't. That's just awful. I guess maybe what we could do is, I mean, this might look stupid, honestly, but whatever. What about this project doesn't already look stupid enough? If we just did like, we created like a color object or something. Does it even recognize that? Terminal. Maybe we have to like define that. It's like, oh yeah, color. Terminal color. We could do character, not character. We'll do class color. We'll just initialize that, I guess. I don't know if there's already a default constructor. There isn't. Oh yes, I'm done. do we need to define it off rip? Well, I guess maybe what we could do is, ugh, that kind of looks disgusting though. Yeah, I feel like, I don't know. Like if we did, no, that actually looks ugly. Wait, is this able to work? Okay, cool. I don't know what it defaults to, but I mean, we can just change it, can't we? Yeah, I think so. And we could just do like class color and set it equal to, I don't know, terminal red. Yeah. No, that doesn't fucking work. Can we just reinitialize it like this? Terminal red. No. Does not allow me to do that. Well, darn, shucks. I mean, we could just. I mean, I don't know. That might actually look ugly though. I don't know. Can we do that though? Can we? That might look so stupid, but like, what if we just did the statement here, like just the if statements here? That might look really awful. But I'm gonna try it though. This character, oh, it doesn't even recognize that. It's not a good sign. Does not recognize that. Are if statements not allowed? Or are they allowed? Yeah, I don't think it is. You could make get class color a method of character. Yeah, we could do that. You should have 4 menus. Wait, what? And see what happens. 4 menus. Negative 4 menus? What do you mean? I think right now we do have 4 menus. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we could just do get class color, yeah. You can maybe do a ternary for that? Yeah. Yeah, but it's not just like one or the other. It's like, can you do a ternary for multiple values, not just 2? Or like multiple conditions, you know? Let me see. I'm just curious. I've always used a ternary before. No, -4. Just make it regress -4. Can handle multiple conditions by using logical operators. Oh, so we can just use like and or and do that. Let me see an example. Interesting. I've never seen that before. What's up, Eric? Good to see you. Hope you're doing good tonight. Good to see you. And hey Snorlax, thank you for saying hey Snorlax. Is it like off center right now? Oh wait, it's like not. Yeah, it's a little better. It's a little better. Cool. Yeah, we're adding color to the terminal right now, or like color text to the terminal right now. Did you have longer hair before? Because I swear I once saw you with long hair in a really early stream. Yeah. I used to have hair that like came down to here. I got it cut about a month ago. So I don't regret it either, honestly. What's up, Psycho? Good to see you. Yeah, Psycho's definitely the type to come in here and just say yes. What I'm shocked by is like we can't do this in here. Which I mean is fine. Yeah, I mean let's just do that honestly. Let's just make another character function. The 40 millionth character function. Do color get class color? Yeah. Well, Yeah, I guess const. This makes sense. Okay. Go here. And it's gonna be a little weird. It's gonna be like color character get class color const, and then we have to do excuse me, then we have to do, I guess, just like some if statements and then return whatever it is. Oh, Snowbite? Did I just call myself Snowbite? Solbyte, Snorlax. Hello chat, hello agents watching. Hell yeah, hell yeah. You know they're always watching, of course. I said we do like a, can we do a switch here? I mean, I don't know, I just like switch case statements. Get class. Then we could do case, class type warrior. I mean, basically the same shit we had earlier, honestly. I should have kept that, but it is what it is. Return terminal bright red. That's what we did, I think. We do break. Cool. Do case class type mage. Turn terminal bright blue. Break. Archer. Terminal bright green. Cool, 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 cool. Bright magenta, is that what we did? I think so. Can't even do shit. Okay, there we go. Maybe that works, maybe it doesn't, I don't know. We'll fuck around and find out. Yeah, so now all we really have to do is just go down here and yeah, we could just do cout, call the function. Yeah, so we can do cout terminal foreground and then do get class color, which will return the class color for this object. Bada bing, bada boom. We have terminal reset. Okay, let's test that out. Yeah, because I think it's really more of a scope issue, so we have to ensure that it's actually in the right scope. There we go. Nice. Hell yeah. I like that. That's good. That is good. Nice. Okay. So what else? Well, for one, I want to do a new line here. That way it's kind of separated. Because right now it's like, it kind of looks like a little bit messy, I guess. So we could just do like, just do that, I guess. Fuck it. Yeah, it's a little better. Oh shit, no it's not. Well, I mean, actually that's actually not half bad. I actually might prefer that. Energy drinks are bad for the heart. Well, I already had heart surgery, so I guess my heart already just kind of sucks anyway, so we'll just, hey, you only live once, man. You only live once. I gotta have enough energy to live. Did I actually what? What did I do? What did I do? What's up, Snowbite? I keep calling myself Snowbite, bro. Solbyte and Snow. Oh, heart surgery. Got you. Oh, yeah. I had a heart surgery. I forgot what it was called. Good to see you, Nutshell, by the way. It's, hold on, wait, let me look it up. Hole in heart. That's what they called it. They said, like, yeah, I had this shit. Like, it was like a birth defect. And yeah, there was like an opening in the heart, basically. And so when I was like 4 or 5, I don't know, some shit like that, I had heart surgery. And patched it right up. They put like a, nah, bro, they put like a, I wonder if I can find that. What's it called? Like the ball that goes in there or some shit. You know what I'm talking about? It's like a, hold on, let me, I don't want you guys to see something you guys don't want to see. No, there was like this thing that they put. Yes, bro. I think it's this. I think so. They like put something they put something in there to like kind of patch it, and like it grew over it, so it's still in my heart technically. Hi from Russia. What's up, Smoke? Good to see you. Hope you're having a good time in Russia. Heart surgery on a grape. Bro, shut the hell up. Well, you had heart surgery? Yeah. Yeah. I did indeed have heart surgery. I'm trying to find the thing that they put in my heart. The thing that's like still in my heart to this day. I'm pretty sure it looks like this, bro. I'm pretty sure it looks like this. I wonder if I can find it really quick. Yeah. This right here, bro. They put like this little like ball, like in my heart. No, because they cut open my leg. That's what it was. They cut open my leg, and they like a device traveled through like my arteries or some shit, and went to it went like through like my arteries and went up to my heart and put that like in there, and then my heart tissue grew over it, so it like connected back to it. I don't know, some shit like that. So technically this is still in my heart to this day. To this day, this is still in my heart. It doesn't do anything, and there really is no point to remove it, so I don't need it anymore. But did it cost more than your degree? I don't know. That's a question for my parents. I have no idea. Probably so, if I had to guess. Probably so. That shit probably was not cheap. But I couldn't help it. It was a birth defect. So, also, I have one chest bone. I mean, I'm not gonna take off my shirt, but like one chest bone. This chest bone right here is like, it comes out more than this one. I don't know. Like, I forgot what that's called, but it's insane. Guess I'll die. Psycho. What are you talking about? Yeah, anyways, that's what it is. So, unhealthy heart, and we're drinking a Red Bull. Cheers to that, boys. Cheers to that. Cheers to that. You can't, come on now. You can't. Tis a meme. What, the grape? Yeah, I remember that shit. I remember they performed surgery on a grape. I remember that. I do indeed remember that. That was like, dude, that was when like fucking deep fry memes were like really funny. Or not really funny, but they were a thing. That's like an old ass meme. That's like 2018, bro. Was it a good meme? No, not really. It was an okay meme. Nice. So let's oh yeah, we need to change that too, don't we? I guess we can do that pretty quickly. For invalid option, I want to always make that red. So I think what we can do is we can do... Wait, don't we do that? Where do we do that? Did we do that in menu? Didn't I already do that for menu? No, I didn't do that for menu, okay. Yeah, so we have to do... Yeah, we could just do this. Terminal, foreground, terminal, red. All right, that's good. Out of range will be the same thing. So honestly, I'll just copy this because I don't feel like doing anything else. Nice. Terminal set. Do you know the bro? Come on now. Let's not bring back those memes, bro. Those memes, they died for a reason. All right, they died for a reason. I'll never forget when the fucking Ugandan Knuckles or whatever that shit was, the, you know, do you know the way meme. I'll never forget when that first started. I had no clue about it, and we came back from Christmas break and everyone in my class was just like saying that shit, and I was so confused. Like, what? Bro. Yeah, we're gonna let those memes die. Anyone who says a meme that is like older than 2022 gets banned. Just offer it. No appeal, no nothing. That should fix that one issue. We're still having this weird issue, but it is what it is. Like, it's not stopping us, so as long as it's not stopping us, that is fine. Somebody once told me the world was gonna roll. Dude. Psycho. The way I read that shit too. Okay. So if we do 4 out of range. Invalid option. Cool, cool, cool. We need to make sure that we print this again though. Oh, we're also not clear console. Do you know the Legend 27? What? The Legend 27 was I did not know that. Yeah, we need to make sure that we're printing this again after we reset. We do this again, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. We'll do that. Do this. Okay. I just feel like that makes it look a little bit more tidy, you know? That kind of shit. Or everybody stats. Fight. Oh wait, did we? Shit, I didn't do the right thing. 4 out of range, good. If I do A, okay, cool. Oh wait, we need to clear console though. That's what we need to do. Yeah, I forgot about that. I guess we'll clear console like up here. Wait, do we even have access to that? We do not. That's awesome. Love that. Do we need access to Minimate? No, we can't do that. That would be a circular linking thing. He's the greatest Game of War, excuse me, Game of War player ever. Game of War? What is Game of War? Game of War. It's some like old game or some shit. I mean, no, that's stupid. I don't want to do that. Well, we could do like the stupidest thing ever and like just include or make like a separate, like just like a separate file purely for the clear console function, which is dumb, but I kind of don't feel like doing any other sort of solution, so we're just gonna do that, I think, honestly. I mean, we could put it in this monstrosity. Jeez, bro. What was I thinking when I made this shit? Who let me do this? I thought that said invalid opinion for a second. You play Minecraft? Yeah. I haven't played in a minute, but yeah. I do. I played Bedrock not too long ago. I did like 100 days in hardcore. Oh shit, bro. I almost fucking unplugged my PC. Did you play the new update or released like 10 days ago? What's it have? I feel like they keep updating so much of that stuff. These two account died in the Great Migration. Oh yeah, the fucking when they switch launchers or whatever. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Bro, I got mine hacked. My original account got hacked. And shit, bro, that shit was so annoying. I just had to buy another account. It was lost, it was gone. So, that was fun. What if we just in terminal.h we just made the clear console function? I feel like that would make sense, because it's the terminal file. It's what's used for the terminal stuff. So I think, yeah, we could just do that instead. Yeah. We don't need to put it like, where did I even put it? Menu manager? Is that where I put that shit? Yeah, we'll just do it here. Instead. I feel like that makes a lot more sense. I'm gonna just get my first Minecraft account hacked, so I bought another with Microsoft Rewards points. Gotcha. I have my PS4 account, but I hate console Minecraft, so I want to trade it in for a PC copy. I'm not sure if that can be done. Like, you have like Bedrock on your PS4? Is that what you mean? Because I don't think you can, no. I'm pretty sure you can't. Because I think I had the same shit happen to me. I had to like buy Bedrock. Or Bedrock is actually kind of polished these days, man. I remember when Bedrock was like still kind of new. People fucking hated that shit. I mean, rightfully so, I guess. What is it? Clear console? Fuck. What the fuck happened here? Oh yeah, because clear console is gonna be non-existent anymore. Yeah, that's right. Oh well, we'll fix it. Oh, motherfucker, really? Okay, I was about to say, holy shit. Can we not use const? What? Fuck it, who cares? Respected for keeping up with Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge? Oh, it's the best browser in the world. Internet Explorer. Rebranded. Right? I think so, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so we'll take this down now. Excuse me. Take this down now. And then, yeah, we're gonna have to do all of this. But I think it's pretty easy, though, because we could just do this. Your console, yeah. So. In fact, let's make this a little easier. We will replace with terminal your console. Okay, I think that fixes it. Yeah. Nice. Spartan Edge was goated. Spartan Edge? What the fuck is that? By the way, you're on Windows, as I see. How can you use VS Code instead of Visual Studio or C++? I mean, like, how can I use it? I mean, what do you mean? I mean, I am switching to Visual Studio soon. Just haven't done that yet, so I might put on that fucking hoodie, bro. It just got cold out of nowhere. Okay, so that's fixed now. Let's go back to, where were we again? Character? Were we still working on that? What were we working on? The menu, I think? Menu, yeah? No, not menu. Yeah, no, yeah, menu. We just need to use terminal clear console. Right. This I do remember now. Okay. Let's see how that looks. It was the best IDE for C++ ever. That makes sense. Be locked to Windows. I've never tried Visual Studio. Everyone says to use it though. I don't know. I've just gotten used to VS Code. I've never like really wanted to change, if that makes sense. You start using it, you'll realize it's so perfect with such a nice tool set. I'll definitely try it. I'll definitely try it. But the thing is, it kept crashing on my, I mean, I can try to look into it, but, fucking, it just kept crashing the other night, like when I was trying to like set it up, but I don't know. Anyone into GD? I recently started playing in Beat Jumper, currently working on Time Machine. What is that, GD? Did you know when you Google Emacs, it says, did you mean Vim? And vice versa. That's funny. Does it actually? Your party stats. So if I do 4 out of range, that'd be cool. Well, okay, but I'd want to reprint the menu. Do we not reprint the menu? Do we just say like, fuck it, like you should remember? That's kind of awful. Yeah, it just has invalid options. Like, oh, what are all the options? Yes, we need to, oh shit, that actually, we didn't even reset that, did we? Did we reset it? Yeah, wait, what? Why did we not? What? Very confused. Watch the VS Code update, entirely uninstall someone's, what the fuck? Either terminal, file explorer, network manager, and everything. This is official. What the hell? Actually? What's up, Neons? Good to see you, by the way. What the hell? What is GD? What is that shit? Brother. Geometry dash? Is that what it is? Do you guys play Geometry Dash, bro? That shit gives me a headache. Yeah, okay, Geometry Dash. Bro, that shit gives me a headache, dude. I can't. It's cool, though. Like, what people can do on that fucking game, insane. I like the level design. I recorded it happening live. You did? Damn. That's insane. Yeah, I'm gonna have to back away from VS Code in that case. I don't want that shit to happen to me. Okay, what was I gonna do? Yeah, I was gonna reprint the menu. So maybe all of this needs to be in the while loop. I don't know if that's actually a good idea or not. We'd have to define this obviously, but I think this could possibly be inside of the while loop as well. I don't know. Let's just try shit, see what happens. We could try that. Next we got 84 on Time Machine. Beginners are progressing on main levels. Just be careful with dev packages. They can uninstall just as easily as they can install. That's insane. Insane. Fucking crazy. You gotta have like insane patience to play Geometry Dash, or like those really like hard levels, dude. Holy fuck. Imagine downloading an update for Microsoft's IDE and they completely uninstall your operating system because you're running Linux, bro. Yeah, that shit would piss me off. But honestly, I wouldn't put it past Microsoft. They would do some bullshit like that. So greed is its finest. Oh god. Greed they talked about in the Bible. Okay, print party stats, fight. We did 5 out of range. Choose an option. Choose an option. That's good. That's much better. Oh, that's not much better though. I'll tell you that. What the fuck happened there? Wait, what? Is it because we didn't define it does print battle info. Oh, I think it's because we don't have anything defined for enemy. So we might actually have to do that. In that case. So I tried to force, jeez. Official VS Code package for Linux installs File Explorers, terminals, and jeez, bro. No offense, but I call bullshit. 1 GB of RAM, yeah. Probably, for sure. Yeah, I think it's because we're not defining that in the switch case statement. I mean, we can do that temporarily, I guess. Wait, where did we do that again? It's a character thing, isn't it? Get class color, right? Where did we do that? Where did that go? Did we do that in here? Oh wait, no, we did it up here. Yeah, I remember now. Yeah, I mean, fuck it, we can just add case, class type, enemy, and then case, class type, boss, and they'll both just return terminal, I don't know, white, I guess. I'm assuming maybe that's the default color. I'm not sure though. Okay, that should fix that error, I think. For sure it was not a one-time bug. Sounds insane. Okay, do this. 1, D2, 3, D4. Now if we do fight and then print battle info, okay, yeah, that looks a lot better. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, what the fuck happened here? Oh, player party, it's supposed to be up one more. Where did we fuck that up? I think that's just, yeah, I think that's just on the menu manager, I think, right? Go to the menu manager and then check out, yeah, this right here. So I guess we should probably add a new line. Wait, why did we not do a new line? We got rid of that. Why did we get rid of that? Was there a reason we got rid of that? I don't know. Steve Jobs loves Linux. Well, he's dead. I guess he's going enjoy from being still product. According to him, you trust Steve Jobs at his word, or Steve Jobs at his word, or did you trust Steve Jobs at his word? Okay, I think maybe new line. But but we got rid of that at one point. Why did we get rid of that at one point? I can't remember. I feel like there was a reason we did that, but I guess I'll fuck around and find out. Let's see. What are these fucking terminals? Jesus. Okay, recompile that. And try it this time. The colors look really nice though. So we do fight, print battle info. Okay, yeah, that's a lot better. Should we do anything like special for the player party? Like, I don't know. Don't get in an elevator with him though. What does that mean? What does that mean? Yeah, just player party. I'm trying to think if there's like something we could do that would be kind of cool. I don't know. One thing I do know that I want to do is because he will fire you. Did he fire someone in an elevator before? Just because, like, what? Even if you don't work at... Imagine the awkward elevator ride after getting fired. I hope I never have to see that reality. Should we color code like the skills? It'd be kind of interesting if we could like color code the skills. Just stuck in the same little space for a whole 10 floors after being fired. Bro, I'd go fucking crazy. Jeez. I feel like I definitely want to color code the enemies or like the targets and color code them based on how much HP they have. So it's like Apple said earlier, giving Apple the credit here for that. But red, if they don't have a lot of HP, if they meet a certain, you know, like a certain criteria, or like if they're at a low point, or you know their HP is low enough, their name is like red. But if it's like middle, it'll be like yellow. And I think, I don't know, if it's like, if they're pretty healthy, we could do like green or some shit. But we'll probably do like, we won't do like bright green, bright red, that kind of shit. Yeah, I think that'd be good. Let's go and do that. I don't know if I want to do the skills. Like I don't know if I want to color code those. I feel like that's kind of, I don't know. Like I feel like that's too many colors at that point. Or, I mean, I don't know. Like, there's a clear idea behind the enemy names and shit like that. So, I feel like doing that would be a little weird. Yeah, so let's go to where we print out the names. Can we get... Because right now we're doing get name, right? Yeah, we're emplacing the names as a command. Can we wait, hold on. Can we concatenate that with a certain I don't know. For a lot of the fancy text stuff, you have to interact with the console's buffer directly, which is different on each OS. Just ask yourself if you're prepared to write macros for it. No. No, I'm not ready to write macros for it, I'll be honest. I think we're kind of just, we're not going to add too much color, and at the end of the day, we just haven't implemented this part yet, where like it can be, oh wait, sure, where is it? Where like we can make it like somewhat compatible. But right now we just have it for this. But I don't know. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I don't know. We're not gonna add too much of it. I just wanted to add like just a little bit of color here and there, you know, just kind of drop some, you know, sprinkle a little spice onto the game. So, and then yeah. Because I mean, really, like all we have left is this stuff right here. This is really all we have left. And then I think it's a pretty complete game. Or a pretty complete like system. But yeah, working on this right now, and then we'll do the refactoring of the levels, the leveling system, and kind of just go from there. But the thing is, how do we change the color of the name though? Maybe we can concatenate it with that? I don't know though. Like if I ran terminal foreground, this is probably gonna be stupid. And then let's just say I did like blue or something like that, right? Does that work? Yeah, because I think technically they're all strings, aren't they? Some shit like that. I don't know. Let's try that. Let's just see what happens. Compilation error, probably. Nope. Print party stats. Fight. Attack. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. We cooking. We cooking. We cooking. That's what's up. Thank God that worked. Thank God that worked. So I think what we can do is we can in like the character class, I think what we should do is get a color based on its health. Yeah, let's do that. So we do like terminal color, get health color, you know, some shit like that maybe. And then yeah, we'll just keep it like that for now. Ooh, what if we did to make it more scalable, what if we did like get resource color? That way you can like check the max and, you know, like, you know what I'm saying? Well, I guess we only have like two things like that. That's just the resource and the health. So I guess we could just do two separate yeah, fuck it, I don't care, whatever. Yeah, let's be lazy about it. Get health color. Const. I gotta like look over my fucking can I do const again? I could do const, fuck you, right? Oh yeah, no, I'm stupid, sorry. Okay, and then we can do, yeah, so I guess we can compare the health to the max HP. I mean, we could do an if statement. Could we do a switch? No, probably not. Well, I just think, I don't know, that would require some work. Well, yeah, that's actually stupid. Okay. We'll do, if HP is within a certain threshold. So we'd have to be like, if HP is more than or equal to, and it'd have to be like a percentage of, no, wait, hold on. Like, if it's more than or equal to like 70% of max HP, yeah, some shit like that. Wait, can I not access HP? Fuck you. Why can I not access HP? Wait, is it not called HP? Oh, right, it's stats yeah, stupid. Okay. Stats dot HP. There we go. For Gore, we did that. Okay, stats HP more than or equal to, yeah, like a percentage of that. So if like 70% of, like, you know, I feel like 70% is a valid number. So we could just do like 0.7, or well, let's make it a little nicer looking, I guess. Yeah, 0.7 times stats max HP. Right, so like if max HP was like fucking, I don't know, 100, right? If HP is greater than or equal to 70, then we would return terminal bright green, or should we just do green? Would bright green make more sense? I feel like it would, right? Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, I think that makes sense. My math could be wrong though. I don't really trust myself. And then yeah, same shit with this. Should we do else if instead, just in case? Yeah, fuck it. I mean, we shouldn't have to, but neither. Wait, did you guys know? Didn't pay for his Windows XP license key and used a pirated one? There was a reason we got him. Yeah, that's the reason. That's the reason. Definitely. We definitely got him off the pirated fucking Windows key. Didn't he have like a bunch of like, I don't think I can say it, but certain material or like certain media on his computer, or like his hard drive or some shit, like certain media stuff. We'll check if stats HP is greater than or equal to, do we need to do, I feel like no, because if this is true, it won't return, so we don't really need to do any of that. Do bright yellow. Did they buy like a PS2 system to build a computer cluster? Really? I don't know, apparently it accidentally got wiped when CIA was using it. It accidentally got wiped? Yeah, bullshit. No fucking way, bro. There's no way they accidentally wiped one of the biggest criminals in United States history. Like, what? Conveniently. Yeah, on God, bro. Okay. And then I guess else would just mean red. Well, no. Let's... Well, I mean, if none of these are true, then that just means... Oh, wait, let's do 40%. Yeah, that doesn't make it much... Yeah, let's do that. And then just else. Yeah, we'll just do else. Terminal. Bright, red. Okay. This may or may not work. I don't know. We'll see. Go to menu manager. And yeah, so we can just do... We can just call game data... Current battle. Right. Valid targets, I think. Yeah, because we would have to do the same valid targets dot, or not dot, or no, yeah, valid targets I dot, motherfucking get health color. Yeah? Cool. Put a line of code right there. Cool. Well, let's see if it works. Oh wait, we're not resetting, are we? Yeah, we need to make sure that we reset the terminal every iteration, I guess, before we print anything. Right? I think so. Well, I guess we could just do this instead, because I mean, it clearly does work. This whole thing looks like shit, I'll be honest. Fuck it. Reset. Can't do that? No way, we can't do that. Why? Why can we not do that? What you talking about? What you talking about? Just got back from coding a refactor. What are we talking about here? We were talking about Mr. Ladin's hard drive that accidentally got wiped. But I'm talking about concatenating the string so that way we can reset the terminal color for everything. Hello, what's up? What's good? I haven't seen you here in a minute. Good to see you. Good to see you. How did you get black from refactoring? I'm assuming you meant I'm assuming you meant back. You remember me? I do remember you. I do remember you. I think you were pretty funny, right? I think. If you run the Stuxnet and if you see nothing will happen. Yeah, I believe you. I definitely believe you. Bruh, Eric, what the fuck? Someone ban that guy. Yeah, because I'm always fried. Alright, what the fuck? What are y'all talking about at this point? What are y'all talking about at this point, bro? US Air Force built a 500 teraflop supercomputer cluster of PlayStation 3 consoles. It was called the Condor Cluster. What the fuck? My tax dollars. What the fuck are they doing with that shit? Okay, so why does this not work? Does it not work? We can't use terminal It's saying I can't use this, but that doesn't make any flippin' sense, bro. Do I need to do... I mean, we can reset it after every iteration, I guess, but it's like... I don't know, like, it's kind of weird though, right? Well, I guess not. Well, I don't know, let's just fucking... I don't know. Let's just do this, see if it works. I don't know. Probably not, right? If I had to guess. Okay. PS3 startup sound is the sound of an orchestra tuning their instruments. Is it actually? I didn't have a PS3 growing up. I had a 360, like a real man. Okay, fight. Attack. Okay, no, it doesn't work. Nice. So because it doesn't work... also, that's the wrong... that's the wrong color. Oh wait, no it's not. No, it's actually the right color. I'm stupid. Okay, so clearly it's not resetting. Damn, bro, why can't it not? I don't understand why it can't. Yeah, because that's... I know why that doesn't work. It's because it's... What the fuck did I just do? It's because it's out of scope, isn't it? Yeah, it's out of scope. That's what's going on. I had Windows XP and 256 megabytes of RAM. Well, my parents didn't really want me on the internet all that much when I was younger, but I was still on YouTube though. They didn't know about YouTube, and that's where I found out what sex was, so. Why can we not concatenate this? I'm assuming this doesn't actually return a string, so that's why we can't do that. But then it's like, okay, well that kind of fucks us up because now it's just like... I don't know, I have no idea how to fucking call this. Can I possibly like, no, but that doesn't make any, oh fuck. I have a hard drive from 2001. Doesn't work, sadly. I have a pretty old hard drive too. I should probably see if it still works or not. I don't know, not a hardware guy, not going to try to guess. What you mean? Why is this not working, bro? Potato processor. Yeah, I would imagine. Definitely imagine. Yeah, so I can't concatenate this. I'm assuming it's because reset doesn't actually return the string like this one does. Which is fucking stupid. There's math using electrolytes. Potato. Brother. I don't know what to do about, like, I don't know like what the solution to this would be. I feel like because we need to be able to fucking reset it. Maybe instead of doing it here, we need to do it where it prints it, possibly. Like, oh, but that's just weird though. Yeah, that's just like weird though. I don't want to do all that. Yeah, because then we'd have to like do like a fucking like check right here to like see like what type of menu it is. Like, nah, fuck that. No, that's stupid. Do we even have a menu type? Like, are we even storing a menu type specifically? I think we are. Or not. Like, I don't even know what that is. Is that like a processor? Come on, bro. There's gotta be something I can do. Because if I can't do anything, then it's out of the scope. And we're just fucked. As of 2023. Damn. Damn. Rest in peace. Jeez. Yeah, I'm so lost. I have no idea how to fix this. I'll be honest. Because, well, okay, like, is there... We could look at the documentation, but that's for pussies. I don't really want to do that. I'd rather, like, you know, figure it the fuck out. But the thing is, I don't think anything else would be in the scope. So we can't, like, we literally can't reset it. Maybe instead what we need to do is we need to do the check outside of it. And then maybe, I don't know. I mean, we can try that. Yeah, fuck it, we can try that. Because that might actually be the only way that we can do this. I mean, it might look stupid, if I'm being honest. Actually, let me not do that. Let me do this instead. This might look really dumb, but it's all good. We'll do this. Right. Just to be able to change the terminal. And then at the very end of all of this... Wait a minute, does that mean that everything here will also have that color? Or... I didn't mean it. I use documentation all the time. I'm just playing it. Used to use a GT610 and already post XP error. I don't know what that is. No, documentation is not for pussies. Documentation is for really smart people. I just don't like reading. But where do we reset though? don't even think I had a dedicated GPU. It's probably unintegrated. Or, yeah. Imagine. I guess maybe we can try to reset it, like, outside of the scope. I mean, I don't know, like, if what I think is gonna happen happens, then this is, we're kind of, I don't know, kind of lost. We might not be able to do this. Which honestly sucks, but it's all good. They're smart, they wouldn't need documentation. No. Smart people need documentation, bro. Smart people need documentation. I'm just admitting that I'm not smart. That's what it is. You know what I mean? I'm so dumb that I don't need documentation. Yeah, it doesn't work. Nice. Doesn't work. We might actually have to read some fucking documentation. I just don't want to read documentation on stream. I feel like that's very boring. Damn, I wish I could... What is this return? Do I have a link to the documentation? Is that a thing? Well, I mean, I guess it's technically... I don't know. What does reset even technically do? Let's see. It does this. Wait, so how does it not work in that case? I guess because it's technically... It also doesn't make i3s, i5s, i7s anymore. They're named to Core 3, Core 5, Core 7. Oh, yeah, I've seen shit like that. Do I need to code escapes? Well, that's not gonna work though, because it's not gonna return that, is it? Can we just return this as a string? Would that even work? Maybe. Okay, wait. I'm cooking, right? Wait, I'm actually cooking. So this is actually, I mean, I'm not cooking, but this is more like a monkey brain kind of thing. But I'm saying what we should do is just manually fucking change it to, what happened? Oh, it's, okay. What I'm thinking we do is we concatenate that, and then we just manually set it back to white. Yeah, I like that. Foreground, terminal, white. Perfect. Hell yeah, that's the smartest solution I could come up with. Let's test that. That may not even work low-key, but we'll try it. Okay, A1, B2, C3, D4. Byte, attack. Perfect. Let's fucking go. What's good, Death Note? Good to see you. Good to see you, Death Note. Let him cook. Divine Intellect right here. Hell yeah. Divine Intellect. Just brute forced my way through that solution. I said, fuck it, we're just gonna redefine the color instead of using reset. Reset is so weird. Why does it not... I feel like reset should just... Fuck it, who cares? Hope you're doing good, Death Note. I need to put on a fucking jacket, bro. It is so... It's actually freezing right now. How are you guys doing tonight? How cold is it where you guys are at? I ask that every single stream. Oh, we should do a poll too. Someone come up with a good poll idea. And don't make it stupid either. Okay. There we go. Oh shit. I just unplugged my charger. Fuck, dude. This shit's like wrapped around. Hold on. Best OS. Everyone's just gonna say Linux because the only people that come in my streams are people who like engineers and like coders, you know. No one in their right mind would say Windows. I wouldn't even give Windows an option. There are icicles forming in places I never knew they could. What? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Yeah, +1. Linux is what? Let's do like I don't know, fuck it. Let's do like I mean, we can do best OS, I guess. Or let's not do best OS. Let's do like what OS do you use? Let's do that. Goon OS, Psycho, shut the fuck up. We'll do Windows. What is it? Mac OS, some shit like that. Mac OS, Linux. Yeah, let's do that. I just like having polls. Makes it more fun. Ain't no one using Mac. You'd be surprised, bro. Some people actually do. Brother, if you go into Chrome OS, Neons, no one is using Chrome OS. No one is using fucking Chrome OS, gang. No one is using that shit. Looks like a lot of you guys are using Windows. According to them. Yeah, a lot of people use Mac OS, and even like in the software engineering space, a lot of people use Mac OS. A lot of people are like, Jesus Christ, the stutter. A lot of people are like, oh yeah, Mac is like really good for like programming and stuff. Like those are low-key the people that don't do shit though. Those are the people who like write like scripts or some shit. I feel like. Actually, I use Windows for work, Mac at home, and servers. So can't choose one. Well, choose the one that you probably use the most. Do you use Windows the most, or 7 million of browsers extensions? Okay, let's get back to it. So that worked, thank God. One thing I did want to check actually before we. This is still running, right? Does that look different, or no? I don't think so. I think we're good. We should do like some different colors for like the back and cancel options. I feel like that would be good. That would be good. Maybe, I don't know, just to like make it like pop a little bit more, you know? But like what would we want to do though? I actually don't know. We could do we not have orange? I mean, we could maybe just make orange. Like, I feel like that would be fine. So we could do that. But orange is like, I don't know, orange is fucking ugly. We're not gonna do that. We could do yellow, like yellow and red. Yeah, that'd be good actually. Red for cancel, yellow, orange for back. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Ruined. Good one. Good ruined. Black. But the thing is, like, a lot of terminals are kind of dark though. Bright black. I don't even know what the fuck bright black means. Is that just gray? Whoever I mean, the person who wrote this, it wasn't me. Also, did they change the entire? Like, can I not? Can't, I guess. Okay, yeah. Let's just try that. Yeah, let's do between black and bright black. I don't know. Let's see. Let's actually see really quick. Let's go to the back option and make it. Oh, we don't need this anymore. Make it terminal foreground. Terminal bright black. I can assume what black is. I think no. I think black is low key like a gray. And bright black is like black, if that makes sense. Hold on, wait. I'm gonna describe. Hold on. I think I am cooking. Let's do terminal both, so I can kind of explain what I think it is. Let's see. Terminal both. What do we need? Foreground, background. So the foreground will be bright black. Then we'll do foreground terminal white. So that way you guys can like see it. Okay, we'll do that. Concatenate it. Bada bing, bada boom. Concatenate it once again. We'll make both. Well, I don't want to. How do we reset that though? Nah, fuck it. Who cares? We'll just redefine it for cancel. I just want to see it. I have no idea what the hell that's gonna look like. Okay, bright black, and then we'll see black here as well. Let's see that. Is this the target menu? Yeah, it is. There's this website where you can name every single color that hasn't been named yet. What? I feel like at this point, every color has had to be named, right? I mean, I don't know. People with enough time on their hands, probably. I would assume. Art majors, some shit like that. Okay, fight, attack. Yeah. See, look. Okay, it's kind of hard to see. But back, this is the bright black. Oh, yeah. So I guess bright black is actually more so a gray. Why did they call it... You're cooking so much, I'll start to order my dinner. Is that what you said? Right. Just named one Snorlax blue. I bet black is... Light black is... Yeah. Light black is gray. Never mind, there's already a color named Snorlax blue. Actually? Of course there is. Oh, shit. We need to make sure that we fucking reset that, bro, because it just destroys the terminal. But yeah, basically bright black is just gray. Why don't we just change the name, bro? Bright black makes no sense. Gray. Boom, there we go. I mean, we're not going to actually use that, but instead we're going to do terminal foreground. We'll do terminal. I think yellow was what we said, right? But then we need to do terminal. Yeah, something like that. We'll basically just replace this with red right here. Perfecto. Or even they all look identical. I don't think so. But it doesn't use the same single digit hex code as command. I don't think so. No. I don't think so. Alright. I think that'll look nice, huh? And obviously we'll do that for the other one too. Alright, let's just go and do that now. I don't really want to play around with that. And I think it's as easy as just doing this. We can just copy this whenever we do this, right? Yeah. Do that. Yeah, and do the same shit for cancel. There we go. This code is racist, said Eric. Okay, bro. They say the code matches their owner. They do not say that, Psycho. Shut the fuck up. Bro, where the fuck did that even come from? Okay. Yeah, I think that should work good. So let's do... Gonna just compile that really quick. Where'd y'all even get that from, bro? 1, B2, C fucking 3, B4. Cool, fight, cancel option is 3, nice. So we can cancel. Do a fight, do a back, nice. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna attack enemy 1 and see if it changes. It does! That's fucking sick! Holy shit. Yo, chat, am I cooking or what? Holy fuck. Yo, I'm cooking, chat. I swear to God, I'm cooking. Oh my God. Whipping this shit right now. Fucking cooking, bro. God damn. That's good, though. I like that. That's good. And then if we do this... Yeah, see, look, it turns red. That's fucking sick. Wait, we probably need to check. Let's cancel really quick. Cancel our battle info. Yeah, 47. Yeah, okay, yeah. Yo, I'm cooking. Was that say Big Bryn? Alright, neons. Alright, neons. Big Bryn. Watermelon with chicken for me. Eric, what the fuck are we talking about right now? What is my chat? Yeah. This is sick. I'm fucking with this. Nice. I think the threshold though for yellow was a little too, it's like kind of too large, I think, because I mean maybe because it's like if it's below 40%, so I think maybe what we should do is 35% instead. Just I don't know, I'm kind of just nitpicking at this point, but you know, just some shit like that, or 30% even. 30% might actually be a little bit better. I'll take a bacon wrapped banana on a croissant with black cherry jam. What the fuck? All this in chat and I'm the one you call out. Gets me. Psycho gets you? Bro, what the hell? Psycho is just, bro. If Psycho gets you, I don't know if that's like a good thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like that's not really good. So I don't know if I'd brag about that. Alright, nice. Let's go and commit our changes. I feel like I haven't done a fucking commit in a minute. It's probably not good. Let's see here. No, it's the video. I said that. Psycho is my FBI agent. Yeah, Psycho's a glowy. What did we change again? I don't know. Snorlax. Added color to party creation and it's a long commit message. Party creation and get target menu. Nice. Is it feature? Is that what it is? Feature? What branch is this shit? I think it's feature, right? Yeah. Nice. Nice. Oh wait, no, I misunderstood. What do you mean? I'm in you wall. Okay. Get in a fucking English book. Fix that grammar. Alright, I like what we have so far. This is very good. This is very good. I feel like we kind of maybe want to do something about skills. Should skills have a color? I don't know, chat. What do you guys think? Like, whenever we do turn 1 could maybe have a color or some shit. Hide in the walls all you want. It doesn't detract from my divine intellect. Alright, Terry. Fight. Yeah, should we like do like colors for these right here? Simple OS, not an option in the poll. I should have done that. Can I edit it? Oh, bro, I don't want to edit it though. No one's using it, but still. Fuck it, I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna end it and we're gonna do another one. Hold on. That's such a good, dude, why didn't I think of that? Do people actually fucking use that shit? No way. No way in hell. Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or Temple OS. Written in Holy C. There we go. Linus is a closet Temple OS user. I believe it. I believe it. I do indeed believe it. Alright. Should we add color to the skills? I feel like maybe. But I feel like that might be a little extra. Like I don't know. That might be a little too much. Because it's like, I don't know. Like, this looks so cool. I love this. But this just looks bland as fuck. Like attack, defense, like I don't know, like that, like it just looks bland, like to an extent. So I feel like maybe what we could do, right, is we could do like get skill color, some shit like that. That'd be kind of cool, but like there's many different skill types, so I feel like maybe just like a damage skill. Magic skills could be blue. Okay, wait, hold on, I'm cooking. Some shit like that. For all you know, I could be watching this video from the terminal using the shrine distribution. I'm sure he's too. He let Rust, and he's from Scandinavia. Video stream Bryn cells. What the fuck? Right, y'all better not be actually voting for Temple of Us, swear to God. Y'all better not actually be doing that shit. Alright, this is older than the fall of the Soviet Union. Is it actually? You're capping, bro. You're actually capping. Is it really? Oh, I see you sent me something. Yeah, wait, what year was Linux actually made? Forgot. I know, like I know it's old as fuck, obviously, but like how old? I forget. Forgot. How many subs are we at? Oh shit, 633. Let's go. Let's go. People clown, but it is a fully fledged operating system with the Shrine Distributions Edition. It's damn near feature complete. That's crazy. Wow, that's crazy. Linux is older than the fucking Soviet Union. That is actually insane. Thank you guys. You guys are giving me a nice little history lesson, gang. I appreciate this shit. Put me on game right now. Let's continue. Right, so I still can't really tell what I want to do with that. I mean, we could maybe do it where like, should I do like a full-on pirate software and like, we can like plan it out? Hold on, guys. Let's do that. Let's do that. We need to plan out the colors, if I'm being honest. Colors. That's fucking small as hell. Colors. I'm saying we do. No, not that shit. What are we talking about? Like, I'm just gonna write it. Colors, something like that. I think for like, I don't know, like certain skills should be skill colors. Damage. Why does it change the whole thing, bro? Bro, like, what are we talking about? Why does it do that shit? Whatever, I'll just draw it, whatever. I mean, the Soviet Union wasn't that long ago, like, sure, I guess, but like, I don't know. Or older than me, I don't know. I was just -9 years old that time. I mean, when we got freed from what the hell? I call it autumn. What, bro? I think it's older than the fall of the Soviet Union. Oh yeah. I didn't mean like older than the Soviet Union itself. Obviously, the Soviet Union that was around for a minute. All right, so I'm saying I think we should do. Do you guys not have a fucking white, dude? What is this shit? Oh, okay, sick. So yeah, let's look at this. Colors. All right, skill colors. Nice, that's perfect. So I think for, cause what do we have? I think anything magic related would be, but then again, like the thing about magic is that we're not like dictating that it's a magic thing. Like it's a fucking, it's where do we have the where do we actually have the enumeration? Hold on. Let me try to find that first, then we can do this. Okay, I guess I just don't have it anywhere ever at all. I don't know, because we have like damage HP and then we have light blue. Magic light blue. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Yeah, magic would be good. So magic can be like a light bluish kind of thing, like magic. Should we do like a darker blue for like? I'm stuck now, bruh. People said the same thing about Skype. Yeah, look where that got. Should we do like a darker blue for like damage magic? And then like a lighter blue for like healing magic kind of shit. You know what I mean? Like healing, like a heal skill would be technically a magic skill because it would use mana, right? But then again, like you can't really fucking tell like how much darker that should have, like, I don't know. Yeah, I feel like maybe just magic in general can just be that. But then again, I wanted like, maybe we just need 2 skills, or maybe we just need like 2 things. We could do red for like damage, and we can do like blue for like buffs. You know what I'm saying? Healing magic is green or yellow. We could do green for that. Or like for buffs, we can do like buff. Right? Buff / heal. Bro, my fucking handwriting is so shit. Damage, buff, heal. Yeah, so I feel like because buff and heal is mostly always going to be, or for the most part, always going to be, well, the thing is, ooh, we should do, no. We should do like magenta. That'd be nice, actually. Like healing magic or like buff magic. Yeah, no, I fuck with that, actually. Hold on. Like, this is like, yeah, okay, no, I fuck with this. Hold on, gang. I got this. What I'm thinking is we do damage magic. That says damage, guys. That says damage. Damage magic. And then we could do like healing magic, can be like a light magenta, something like that. Buff. Oh my god. Buff / heal magic. Are we fucking with that, chat? So I just got back from break. Orange for attacks fits well, to be honest. Do you think orange? Like just regular attacks? Or do you think like orange for like damage magic attacks? Are you using a drawing tablet? No, I'm using a website. It's well, I'm using my mouse. A good old mouse. Does this really look like I'm using a fucking drawing tablet? Look at how awful that looks. Yeah, I think this is really the only 4 that we need, honestly. I feel like we don't really need anything else. This is just like normal stuff. These guys right here are like normal attacks. Or like normal skills. And this is like magic skills. Bro, I might fuck around and become the next Pirate Software. Jesus. Thank God. Handwriting with a mouse is better than mine with a pen. I don't know about that. My handwriting with a pen is terrible too. It's not good at all. I have 2 drawing tablets and I lost the pins for both. Do you like to draw? What are y'all thoughts on split keyboards? Ew, disgusting. Well, I mean, that's just because I'm not used to them, so. incoming damage should be, well, this is just for like selecting a skill. So do you think outgoing should be orange? Because like this isn't like the console like narration, or like I don't know if that's what it's fucking called. You know, like where it says like so and so lost however many HP. You know what I mean? We're not doing that right now. This is just like whenever you're selecting a skill. So like, do a poll if split keyboards are cool or not. No, dude. Let me grab and flash more like. Split keyboards are for people who have $500 to blow on. On God, bro. On God. Can only buy a Mac for real. You should do graphics with. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Nah, I think my next project I'm actually gonna do something with graphics. I think we're gonna go with this for right now, just for like skills. So we're gonna go with this for right now. So wait, what's your words per minute? You guys want to see? Holy shit, let's take a break. Hold on. Play some fucking type racer. Give me a second. Let's take a break, guys. This terminal can actually display arbitrary images with... Really? Interesting. Hold on, guys. My words per minute is actually so fucking sick. We need to have a good one, though, so... Oh, nice. Ads everywhere. It's all good. Hold on, chat. We're gonna take a little pause really quick. I need to flex on you guys. No, we're gonna get a different one, though. Fuck that. I'm not spelling intelligence right. I can actually type fast as fuck. I swear to God. Do a C++ typing test? No. I'm not doing that. Not doing that. Come on, bro. Load. Homie, what are we doing? Alright. Fuck. Fuck. Okay, I kind of sold at the end there, but it's fine. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I think my highest was like 112 at one point, but there we go. That's my words per minute. 91. That was fun. Winter Arc? Fuck no. OpenGL maybe. Get on mouse. Click speed is 12 clicks a second. Jeez. What do you play, like Minecraft Bed Wars or some shit, bro? Those people are fucking cracked. That's good, and that's with crap like integration. Do monkey type? What is that shit? I don't want to do no typing shit, man. Typing was only not bad. Minus 250. Yeah, fucking right, Jelly. Yeah, right. No shot. No shot, Jelly. Monkey type is goated. Is it like type racer? Where you like compete or some shit? Alright. I need to log back in, guys. You guys are distracting me. So we need to do another function, I guess. We can do like get is magic, but then we need to like do we have a check get is get damage? Or like get is damage or some shit? Target type? Possibly? I got 77 words per minute. Vulcan grind. It is? Fuck no. We're not doing Vulcan, bro. We're not doing. What's a race? Monkey type is a bunch of random words. Oh. Oh, it's not like sentences. Regular monkey type is 92 words per minute, 97. Damn. Damn. His bot can type 250? Yeah, exactly, bro. Dude, I'm not racing, bro. Because if you actually do type 250, I'm not gonna believe you. I'm gonna be like, no fucking, there's no shot. There's just no shot. Like, I need you to like record your hands typing 250. Like, that's the only way I'll ever know. I once made a bot in Python where you 1,000 words per minute. You're like 9k words per minute typing test. Jeez, that is fucking insane. That is insane. Okay, how do we get, if it's a damaging thing. I don't know. Jelly, if you can actually type 250 without a bot, then props to you. But I don't buy it. I don't buy it. Even then, he could be a cyborg. That's true. That's true. 60 clicks in 5 seconds. Jeez. I wish that was a marketable skill. Fuck it, I'll put it on your resume, bro. Yeah. Where's your proof? Where's your proof, Jelly? I'm gonna need some proof. Should we add a whole like boolean to like state if it's a magic skill? We might want to do that. We might want to do that. Just so the coloring is like, I mean, it's fuck it. I mean, it's just one extra thing. Is DMG. Yeah, fuck it. We'll just do that. For the constructor though, we need to pass in another boolean though. Full DMG. Yeah, we'll just do that. Full DMG. Is DMG. DMG. Yeah, DMG. I had to think about it for a second. Full DMG. Wait, what? Am I tripping? Oh yeah, I just got res scraped through typing text off the site and then typed it with, what the hell? Are we back? Bagel bites? Oh shit, bring me some, bro. Does skill do any special cleanup in the structure, or why is it virtual? I don't know. Can I call you Austin? Yeah, I mean, fuck it, you can call me Austin. How do you know my name? Have I said my name? Oh, thanks for the sub, Jelly Waves, by the way. Sorry, I don't have my headphones in. Can I call your phone on stream? If you know my phone number, call it right now. Call it right fucking now. Are you inside the radio? Yeah, I don't care if anyone calls me Austin though. Because it literally says my name here. Or it usually does. It says my name right here. So I've actually said my name. Jeez. Oh yeah, I did. I literally said my first and last name, did I not? I did do that. Yeah, no, I'm tripping. You're right, Apple. You're right. Yeah, you guys can. Says Austin is your name. Oh, that's true. Yeah, it does say my name. Does it say my first and last name, or does it just say my first name? Curious. If it says both, that's a little concerning. I may not want that. Looks like it just says Austin. Honestly though, you could probably guess my last name. Based on my fucking username. You said it a lot of times? Damn, bro, I'm like out here doxing myself. Fucking, I don't care if anyone calls me Austin. Honestly, when people call me like Solbyte, I have to like remember, oh, I'm Solbyte. You know. It's pronounced JitHub. Alright, someone ban that guy, please. How many hours a week do you guys spend on the hub? Yeah, there you go, Danny. GitHub? Are you referring to GitHub? Because if so, I don't know, a decent amount. I'd say. This one's pronounced Jason. What? Brother, what? Jesus, talking about. Alright, so got that boolean now. We're gonna keep that there. We need to construct the motherfucking these guys a little bit differently though, I think, right? Or wait, no. We don't need to do that. Wait, what fucked up here? Oh, right. Magic. And we need to add PMG. Yeah. Okay. That right? Is that not right? Oh, because I'm stupid. No, I'm actually dumb. Like, straight up. I'm using macros or Linux. I had a French colleague when I was working at Game Loft, who always pronounced it in a French way. Since then, I always do too. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Okay, so that's good. This should fix itself. Right, there we go. Cool. Let me do the same shit to buff defense. Cool, DMG. You know, this is low-key kind of a stupid solution, but whatever. What's new, right? What's new about this project? I mean, you still have an error. I'm just trying to ignore that. Okay, and then whenever we do this basic attack, we would do true, right? Do true. Oh shit, I probably gotta get off stream pretty soon. False, true. Make sure that looks good. Sorry, that's bothering me. False and true. Yeah, that's good. 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 Yeah. Yeah, so now we can basically kind of tell what is which. So now for each skill, let's make a different function. This will probably be the last thing that I do tonight. We'll make a function to get the, we don't have this in, do we yet? Don't include it, fuck it. Terminal. .h, all I want for Christmas is cheap RAM. Yeah, fucking right. Good luck, bro. It's no coincidence that guys call themselves penetration testers while females call themselves cybersecurity specialists. Bro. Hey, let me flex on you guys really quick. Oh shit, that's the browser. Let me flex on you guys really quick. It's worth more than your house. Alright, just want to do that really quick. Alright. So we'll do terminal color, get skill color, const. That's good. DDR4 only. Fuck you, psycho. Color, skill, get skill color, const, return. Oh wait, no, not return. We're gonna do an if statement. If, well, we need to do the magic one too, don't we? So we'd actually need a couple of different if statements. Yeah, I think so. We need to do like a couple of different ones. Well, I guess first we would check if it's, yeah, first we would check if it's magic, and then based on that answer, then we would check if it's damage or not damage, right? Okay, I got you. Here's some DDR2 if anyone used to. Yeah, good luck selling that shit to anyone. If, are we storing that or no? Oh wait, no, yeah, duh, we are. If is magic is true, we will do another if statement. If is damage is true, then we will return, do an else statement. Terminal color, what did we say? If it's a magenta, right? Return color, or terminal color, wait, what? Terminal red? No, not red. Magenta, bright magenta. Bright magenta. Cool. Return, if it's damage, we did bright blue, is that what we did? I don't know, something like that. And an atom, which is even worse. Free ramp is free ramp, my guy. I mean, shit, I guess so. Turn terminal. Let's do bright blue, yeah. Bright blue. Or maybe we should do orange for that. Would that make sense? There's a PC program that gives me free RAM anyways. What? What? Is it just like a task manager or some shit? Else. If. Basically, it's kind of the same logic from here. Honestly. If is damaged, we will return. what is it? Bright red. Bright red. And then if false, then bright green. Okay. Yeah, I think that's good. Cool. So now go to the menu manager. Yeah. We go here. Skill name. Right. So we're gonna do terminal. Foreground. We'll do game data. Oh shit, it's gonna be so weird. Oh dude, this whole line's gonna look awful. I already know. Player party. And then game data. Party index. You know, we really should just. No, fuck it. I don't care. I don't care. The more complicated it looks, the better, honestly. Let's go with that. We're doing get skills and then we're referencing I from that and doing get name. And for us, we need to do get skill color. Bro, that looks atrocious. That actually looks so bad. That looks awful, bro. Holy shit. That's crazy. Hold on. It's fine though. It's all good. This next one won't be too bad. Terminal, foreground. And we'll do terminal white. Bada bing, bada boom. Very cool. Very nice. That's gonna. I don't know how that's gonna look. I'll be honest. All right, so attack should be red and defend should be green. So we'll see. You haven't seen my lines, brother. Dude. I don't know, like this is just awful. Fight. Nice. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's what we want. That's what we want right there. That's what we want right there. I'll take that. Fuck it. Yeah. One thing though, are we? Oh, perfect, bro. I wanted to be able to see this too, because like I wanted to be able to see like our own stuff too. I go soon as tomorrow morning I travel again. Out of my friend's birthday. Oh, nice. Well, have a safe travel. Eric. Always good seeing you, of course. I'll respond to your DM here in a second. Linus used Google Drive as extra RAM. What? All right, nice. That's good. That's some good ass motherfucking progress, dude. That's some good ass motherfucking progress. Let's go and commit the changes. I gotta leave soon. Yeah. That's when I just needed a hold somebody. Snorlax. Added skill colors and select skill menu. Feature. Color text. Fuck yes, dude. Good night, guys. Have a good night, Eric. Good seeing you, of course. I'm about to head out too, so. Hell yeah, we did pretty damn good, bro. That shit was good. We're making a lot of progress. I'm trying to think of what else we need to do. Well, I think the only real thing left. Yeah, I think the only thing that we want to do left would be, because these look fine. These are fine. These are good. Do we want to add color here? I feel like it doesn't really need to be any color. I mean, it's just like a menu. So I feel like no, probably not. But like this looks good. That's good. And then I really like this. I'm really fucking with this. We might want to change the turn color to something. I don't know. Just cause. This looks fine for now. But this is fucking sick. I like this right here. We can attack and we can see their HP based on this, based on the color of the enemy. So if we keep fighting enemy 1, right, and we just keep hitting enemy 1 back to back, look, it turns yellow, right? And if we do cancel we do print battle info, we can tell that enemy 1 has, you know, at a certain threshold. So you can buy domain for $11 a year. Thanks for looking that up. What the why'd you look that up? What the hell? Nice. Nice. Yeah, dude, this looks fucking sick. I'm messing with this heavy. I'm messing with it heavy. But the only thing now I think would be, I want these to be a certain color, and then the turn to be a certain color, and I think that's low-key it. I think that's it, honest to God. So, gonna head to bed soon. Good luck with those colors, look great. Thank you, Apple. Good to see you, by the way. The line is so long, I can't paste it in here. What, the line that you have? Bro, it's crazy. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and head out, so. Appreciate the support tonight, guys, as always. I think we made some good progress on the game, so that's good. Always. So, say goodnight, Snorlax. Appreciate you guys always coming by as well. Looks like Windows 1 with 67%. So, take that information however you wish. Alright, looks like Temple OS was at 33%. I don't buy that. I don't think any of you guys have ever even touched Temple OS, but whatever. Got some liars in chat, I guess. So, yeah, anyways. Good night, Snorlaxative. Alright, someone fucking ban that guy. Holy shit, you did not call Snorlax Snorlaxative. That's actually fucked up. That's actually fucked up, like genuinely. Alright guys, you guys have a good night. I'll see you guys later, alright? Stay safe. Next stream will be on Sunday night, okay? I got a Christmas thing I gotta go to tomorrow, so y'all have a good night. Alright, I'll see you guys.